Hey guys, how are you doing there today? Just thought I'd give you a little shot of the car we're working on here. Well, one of them. There's multiples, but this is a 66 Ford 7-liter. So the way I've interpreted this is that it's like a Galaxie 500 trim package that you get with it. It's glorified that way. And then 7-liter decals throughout. Came with 428. The 427 was primo at this time and getting a little expensive in production. So Ford's solution on this was to create a new motor, which was the 428. Came from all the way back from 332 up to 428 in the end. We can touch base on that a little bit, but really I wanted to just show the car here, where we're at with it. There's been, quite a bit of progress happening. It's, pretty much a one-man band here, so it does take time, jumping around doing a few different ones, but this is the 66 here. So this is the convertible. Factory Q code, which means it's got a 428 in it. I've been going on the 7-liter website on the internet a bit there, the Facebook, and guys have been helping me out there. I really want to give a shout out to a guy, Roger Town. He's been a huge help here, sending me diagrams, stuff like that, for how the guts for the windows work, for example, all the way down to hinge color for the hood here. Also, Tom has been a big help there. He helped decode the car, of course, and put it into the 7-liter registry for 66. This car was supposed to be a factory 4-speed. Currently has a C6 transmission in it with 325 rear gears in the back, open differential. We're going to slide a bunch of screenshots in here, just of progress along the way. We're just getting off the ground now where we're filming. So, if this is content you like seeing, then definitely, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see more in depth on the car. Right now we did have the fenders mocked up on it, the hood, the works on it, but I did not paint underneath the hood. Base clear for the blue. This is a factory Arcadian blue, the name of the color is, this light blue here. You'll see through some pictures already that we'll be putting in, that I've done the door jambs, the bottoms of the doors, fenders, front grille's done now along with the inner fenders. A lot of welding work's gone in there to do the floors, and of course there's still the quarter panels remaining on this thing to do. Trying to source some parts for that, and a trunk pan, of course, is the last piece to be done here, but basically getting everything here so that I can get some paint on this thing and start reassembly. So as we go, I know eventually a trunk pan is going to show up, and then we can change that out, but the rest of the rust repair on this car has been done. So we used a bunch of different parts. This car does retain one original door. This is it. The other door's being changed, so there's a bit of work in there, just, rust proofing it, changing it over to the Arcadian blue. All my bottom coats of primer on this car, I've decided to go with the red oxide, just in the spirit of things with Fords back in the day. That's what they did. So wherever you see any paint when we're done here that, doesn't go exactly where it covers, you're going to be able to at least see the bleed through of the red oxide. You ever get a rock chip, something like that down the road here, you're going to see the red oxide. It just provides that much more authentic, in my opinion, of the restoration on the car. Yeah, so I guess next time I make progress here on it, we're going to just show you that the quarter panels are primed, painted, and hopefully we'll be into final blocking at that point. Most of the panel work on this car is done, other than, like I said, the quarter panels. But yeah, just let me know in the comments there, guys, if you're interested in it and you want to see this one keep going, or we'll just do another little quick one. But any questions, please don't hesitate, and we can go in a little bit more in depth next time on just manufacturing of the car, where it was built, and you know, the rest of it. So thanks for checking it out, and I hope you enjoy the other pictures we're going to slide in here. Just bring it into the shop in the beginning, and the rest of the repair work that's being done on the panel work. So yeah, have a good one there.